Hey there, I'm Damian Milner, the IT Administrator for Future Problem Solving, and in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing with you how to log in as a coach and view resources and instructions in the toolbox area. So first thing you're going to do is go to FPSOnline.org. You're going to log in by using the coach login link in the top or the bottom, or right here in the middle. If you do choose the middle, make sure you choose the coach for the user type from the drop-down before you log in. All right, once you're logged in, you've got two different ways to get to the toolbox. On the left-hand menu here, you can click Toolbox, or right here on your dashboard, you can click Toolbox. Once you get in the toolbox, you're going to see that each section is divided up by the program or the competition. And inside of each one, there could be a different array of items. Mostly you might find evaluation guidelines like you see here. You might find a competition overview that kind of gives details about the competition, what's involved, and things like that. And when you click on download, it'll open up a window and you can download or print these. You can also open up a separate tab in case you wanted to evaluate and have the evaluation guidelines open. But each section here will have its own documents, guidelines, overviews. Sometimes I've seen instructions uploaded here, maybe just giving some direction. So usually the toolbox is used for these types of items: evaluation guidelines, competition overviews, project elements and details, things like that. So can be very helpful in competition time or before it. So hope you found this video helpful, and stick around, watch some more videos on working in FPS Online, and hope that you have a great and positive day. Take care.